Hi all, I had the pleasure of attending Ysbrydoli Hiraeth yesterday, a short documentary that captures the heart, history and creative pulse of Merthyr. Created for all audiences, the film is a reflection of finding beauty in the ordinary. It's about hope through hardship and a love letter to Merthyr Tudful. There will be screenings on Friday, Saturday and Sunday right here in St Tudful Shopping Centre. So make sure you get your tickets while you can. I'm delighted to announce that the Merthyr Food Festival is making a comeback next weekend, Saturday the 19th of July, from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. at Penderyn Square. Get ready for a mouth-watering experience as you indulge in delicious food from local vendors and fun activities for the whole family. This event is a must-visit for all food lovers and community members looking to support local businesses. And finally, congratulations to the Aspired Shared Apprenticeship Programme, who recently won the Ingenuity Alliance Collaboration Award at the Ingenuity Awards in London. The programme offers apprenticeships in any sector ranging from level 2 to degree level. This national recognition is a huge deal for the entire team and is a testament to the hard work, passion and collaboration that drives everything they do. To find out more, you can visit our website. That's all for me this week, so I'll see you all again next week. Diolch.